Kenyan IIT. I'm Kamya, one of the coordinators of the workshop, teaching assistant at the fiction workshop, and your compere for the evening. I have participated in these workshops organized by Kenyan Review at Gambier, Ohio, twice since 2017, and I've also had the wonderful opportunity to be part of the blossoming Kenyan IIM community since 2018. In India and indeed anywhere, writing can be a lonely and isolated affair where people receive little to no input that can help them get better at their craft. The Kenyan IITM writing workshops are the result of a long-term collaborative effort between Kenyan College and IIT Madras to provide resources, support, and community to those who write. We are happy that the workshop is now in its third year of running since its inception in 2018, growing steadily in popularity. Running in 3 genres, science writing, fiction, and non-fiction, the workshop has a lot to offer for the aspiring writer, researcher, or really anyone invested in writing as an open-ended process of discovery. It is focused on providing an immersive, hands-on environment where participants engage in prompt-based writing on a daily basis. This generative aspect is a standout feature of the Kenyan IITM writing workshops, unlike other workshops that work on fine-tuning previously written pieces or entail theoretical discussions on craft. Though the workshop is the result of the coordinated and untiring efforts of many, I would like to name and thank a few. From the Kenyan end, Professor Sean Decatur, President Kenyan College, Professor Wendy Singer, Professor David Lin. From the IIT Madras side, many thanks to Professor Bhaskar Ramamurthy, Director IIT Madras, Professor Raghunathan Rangaswamy, Professor Sethupathi and Professor Sriram Kumar, Professor Umakant Dash, and Professor Arun Narasimhan. Most especially, my sincere thanks to the instructors who are the heart and soul of the workshop, Nancy Zafris for fiction, Geeta Kothari for non-fiction, Chris Gillen, Robert Mauk, Geeta Iyer, and Lutan Getzler for science writing. A special shout out to Ms. Ujjwala Koti, coordinator of the Siddhi webinar series, Ms. Suguna and Mr. Shashi Kumar, who have formed the technical backbone of the workshop. And in case I have been remiss in mentioning someone, I'm hoping that Professor Sudarshan will pick up the slack in his vote of thanks. This year, due to the constraints of a global pandemic, the Kenyan IITM workshop has moved online. We have redesigned the experience to create the same sense of community online that animates the workshop when in person. I would now like to invite Professor Wendy Singer, Roy Wortman Distinguished Professor of History at Kenyan College, to introduce the workshop. A few words about Wendy before I hand over to her. Wendy's pioneering past work placed a spotlight on the vital role played by oral narratives in the field of history. Today, this is considered commonsensical and even par for the course in the discipline, thanks to the efforts of scholars such as Wendy. Over to her now.
Thank you. Thank you, Kamya. Well.